ICON Trufix software is a full-featured diagnostic aid and OEM repair information content source for the professional technician. Used with ICON scanners, tablet, phone, or computer with a browser, it provides comprehensive vehicle coverage for 1985 and newer domestic, Asian, and European light-duty vehicles, as well as specific vehicle lookup by VIN, YMME, and ACES parameters. TrueFix will help you find the solution faster with diagnostic flow charts and detailed trouble code information lookups. After the diagnosis, TrueFix provides clear guidance on service procedures, required tools, and warnings, all in a single location for both ease of finding information and speed of the repair. With advanced information and OEM position statements, you will be able to calibrate and repair related systems such as ADAS to the OEM standards. Clear, detailed illustrations provide greater detail on identifying components and performing complicated repair tasks. In-depth, multicolor comprehensive wiring diagrams allow easy tracing over multiple pages, so electrical faults can be solved faster, as well as information on OBD2, DOIP, CAN-FD, and ADAS protocols. OEM specifications and standards are provided for torque, fluid, and component requirements. Maintenance schedules provide overdue, current, and future vehicle maintenance needs. Stay up to date with the latest information with technical service bulletins and recall notices. Included in the software is an advanced search capability to search in all layers of content to find the solution and data you are looking for. Data is directly from the original equipment manufacturers and is provided through Motor. It is updated in near time to the latest OEM information releases. Diagnose and repair vehicles faster and more accurately with ICON TrueFix. ICON, tool truck quality, unbeatable value, only at Harbor Freight.